In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple guide on how to get started by using Google and Clipchamp in just a few easy steps. Whether you're looking to make a professional video or just a quick personal project, this guide is tailored for you to start smoothly and effectively. So settle in and let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Clipchamp. If you're unfamiliar with this tool, Clipchamp offers a range of video editing solutions that are accessible directly in your web browser, which means there's no need to download any heavy software. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Clipchamp website URL to get started. Once you're on the website, if you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, no worries. Signing up is quick and straightforward. You'll just need your email address and a password to begin. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to managing your media. Moving to the next step, locate the Media tab in the Clipchamp dashboard. This section is your central hub for all things related to the video footage, images, and audio files you might want to use in your project. You can upload files directly from your computer, or if you prefer, connect and import from cloud storage services for added convenience. Ensuring you have all your media files uploaded in this area will make the editing process much smoother. Within your media section, next we're going to explore adding some text elements to your video project. To do this efficiently, click on the Text menu option, which is typically located on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is where you'll find a variety of text styles and animations at your disposal. You can select the ones that best fit the theme or the message of your video. Drag and drop these text elements onto your timeline to see how they fit within your video's flow. It's all about playing around and seeing which styles resonate with your project vision. And just like that, you've reached the end of your introductory journey on Clipchamp using Google. That's all it takes to start building your video with the essential text elements that provide context and flair. You've now learned how to access Clipchamp, manage your media files effectively, and enhance your videos with engaging text elements. Feel free to experiment with all the features Clipchamp offers as you grow more comfortable with the tool. As you explore further, you'll find yourself naturally picking up more advanced techniques and methods. But for now, pat yourself on the back. You're off to a great start. Thanks for joining in today, and remember to subscribe for more insightful tutorials and creative tips in the future. Happy video editing!